Hello student, this is a video for your chapter N with NE. We have completed the chapter. The explanation portion has been completed successfully. Now you have to maintain your HW. For that, here in this video you will get the solution of this chapter. Now the first exercise is read well and take the most appropriate options. First is Marilla was surprised because Marilla surprised थी क्योंकि Matthew opened the door. The girl was wearing an old dress. The girl had long red hair. She had expected to see a boy. तो पूरे चैप्टर में आपने पढ़ा था कि मरीला को एक बॉय से बहुत अधिक प्रेम था। मीन्स वो एक ऑर्फन बॉय को रखना एक्सपेक्ट करती थी, न कि एक गर्ल को। इसलिए वो सरप्राइज थी, न कि ऊपर के 3 ऑप्शन सही। इसलिए यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट। ओके, शी हैड एक्सपेक्टेड टू सी अ बॉय। द फैक्ट दैट मैथ्यू हैड कम विद द गर्ल instead of a boy made Marilla angry with Matthew for bringing her home. Angry with Matthew for bringing her home. Second, upset and angry with the girl. Number 3, angry at what had happened. And number D, very sad that the girl was an orphan. So this exercise also indicates to point number B, because Marilla was upset and angry with the girl because Matthew had come with the girl instead of a boy. So option number B is correct here. She was upset and angry with the girl. Now number 3, Anne burst into tears because she was tired. Marilla spoke unkindly and unsmilingly. She felt she would be sent back. She wanted to be a boy. So Anne started to weep at that time. When she was at the door with Matthews and Marilla was only watching her, and she was using unkind and unsmiling word for her, so she burst into tears. So here is option number B is correct. Okay. Now let's see number 4. Anne asked Marilla to call her Cordelia because क्यों एन मरीला को कॉर्डेलिया बुलाती? Because she felt it was a more beautiful name. That was her real name. It didn't matter what she was called. And last, it made her feel happy and cheerful. This is correct option, because Anne loved the name Cordelia, and she also told Marilla that this name made me happy and cheerful. इस नाम को सुनते ही वो काफ़ी हैप्पी हो जाती है, चीयरफुल हो जाती है. So she requested Marilla that if she would call her Cordelia, she is extremely happy. Okay, therefore exercise number 1A, exercise A complete. Now exercise number 2. Work in pairs and answer the questions. Discuss your answers in class. Who What do the pronouns refer to in these sentences? What do these sentences tell you about the people who speak them? मीन्स यहाँ पे आपको जो प्रोनाउंस यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं बोल्ड लेटर्स में, ये प्रोनाउन किसको इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं, रेफर कर रहे हैं, उस चीज़ को आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी. Well, see here pronoun didn't. She brought her. यानी दो प्रोनाउन आपको मिल गए, सी और हर. I asked the station master and I had to bring her home. सी, फिर ये तीसरा प्रोनाउन सी, दोबारा सी का यहाँ पे रिवीजन हो गया है, रिपीट हुआ है. Couldn't be left there and no matter where the mistake had come in. Okay, this is a question. You will write your answer. सी रेफर्स टू मिसेज स्पेंसर. यानी जो सी यहाँ प्रोनाउन है किसको रेफर कर रहे हैं, मिसेज स्पेंसर को. एंड हर रेफर्स टू द ऑर्फन गर्ल. ओके, यानी सी टू मिसेज स्पेंसर एंड हर टू ऑर्फन गर्ल. सेकेंड टाइम सी इज यूज्ड फॉर द ऑर्फन गर्ल. सेकेंड टाइम सी इज यूज्ड फॉर ऑर्फन गर्ल. द लाइन सो दैट they didn't want a girl's arrival, but unfortunately he has to fetch her. Okay, this is the answer for this question number 1. Now let's see number 2. Yes, there is need. The child raised her head quickly, showing a tear-stained face and trembling lip. What is there a need for? And second, why has the need come about? You see here, for exercise number B, you see, I might have expected it. Nobody ever did want me. It was all too beautiful to last. In here you can see I eat, nobody eat. 4 यहाँ पे है, 4 को लिखना है. देखिए आप ऑप्शन आंसर में I refers to the girl and it refers to the situation. Nobody refers to the people. It refers to the previous situation. These lines show nervousness of the orphan girl. Okay. Now number 2. Yes, there is need. The child raised her head quickly, showing a tear-stained face and trembling lips. What is there a need for? And second, why has the need come about? You see here, there is a need for crying. Means जब child जब सर को ऊपर उठा करके काफ़ी उसके आँख आंसू से भरे रहेंगे, उसके लिप्स ट्रेम्बलिंग करेंगे, that time this is a condition that he is going to cry. Need for crying. And second answer, the need has come about because she was orphan girl, not a boy. इसीलिए कंडीशन क्रिएट हुआ क्योंकि वो उसको रोना पड़ा क्योंकि वो एक ऑर्फन गर्ल थी और न कि एक ऑर्फन बॉय. Now number 3. You suppose so, don't you know it? Well, now she's a real nice little thing, Marie. It is a kind of pity to send her back when she is so set on staying here. What are Marilla and Matthew talking about? What is the result of this conversation? Marilla and Matthew are talking about the orphan girl. Marilla and Matthew are talking about the orphan girl. They decided to keep the girl with them as she expected before leaving the orphan home. ओके कि मरीला और मैथ्यू जो थे वो उस ऑर्फन लड़की के बारे में बात कर रहे थे और उन लोगों ने डिसाइड भी किया था कि उस गर्ल को अपने साथ रखेंगे, और जैसा कि पहले वो उस गर्ल को निकालने की बात सोच रही थी, उसको उसके साथ रहने का एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं था, बट बाय एंड बाय शी हैड आल्सो चेंज हर मूड. ओके.